Hey there, what's up? I have a decluttering of what I did in June, and I decluttered a lot of closet stuff. I've been going through a lot of my clothes, being like, do I really need you? And I found myself not wearing them. So my goal was just like every month kind of reevaluate my closet and see where I'm at. And I'm gonna show you everything I got rid of. I also got rid of some makeup stuff and maybe a few other things. I'm not for sure. I've just been piling it up for you. Also, my hair is like aggressively long at the moment, so I have a hair appointment very soon, and by soon I mean like an hour. I have some videos pre-filmed. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably only gonna do like 3 or 4 inches off of my hair, but you may see it like go longer and shorter in some videos, just to warn you. I think there's like 3 videos where I pre-filmed with like my hair length now. Honestly though, most people can't tell when I get haircuts just because it's like, it's so long and you have long hair and you don't cut off like a dramatic length. No one's gonna notice, which is fine. Okay, I also got some packages in the mail and I'm kind of like, I don't know, I'm debating on doing this video or not, so I figured, you know, you guys can tell me what you think. Also, outfit of the day here. I am wearing, you can't see, the lighting sucks here, but just my Lululemon black cherry Align pants. They are like my faves. This is a Lululemon tank top and then a Victoria's Secret sports bra. And I'm gonna have on my white Adidas tennis shoes here in a bit because I have a workout class to go to after my hair appointment. But this is really what I want to show you here is I got some Target workout stuff, okay? And I am not a fan. Like I haven't tried it all on, but I've tried on a few things, like just pre-filmed to see what I thought, and it does not fit well. Like it doesn't fit my body well. It's not comfy, so I don't even know if I want to do the try-on haul or like a video for it. I also got these sandals. I think I'm gonna return those. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Do you want to see like a video of Target activewear or not? I'm already telling you right now, like it wouldn't be a super like I love all of this video. I'm always giving you honest stuff. I just like, I hate it when like I just don't like most of it, you know? Anyways, I'm in my bedroom now. I have a Chester kitty. Hello, baby. All of you always want to see him, so, you know, here he is. He's alive. He's doing well. He just, like, is very antisocial when it comes to videos. You know, didn't make my bed, so my bed's right here, but my stuff is under it, so let me, take this off. Ta-da! Actually, there's more stuff down here. Let me pull it up, and then we'll go through everything. Okay, first off, I have these sandals here. These are the only like leather looking sandals I have. They're from Forever 21. They are so uncomfy. I just had to get rid of them, which is also why you saw in that Target pile there was a pair of like leather, they're faux leather sandals. I still don't know if like I love those enough to keep them. We'll see. I didn't go through this. This is by Tarte. I actually really like this. It's a very matte foundation. It's in Fairlight Neutral. It's just too light for me, and I wore it maybe like last month. I was testing it out, and it just like, it doesn't work well with my skin at the moment, so I'm gonna give that to like a friend or something, or maybe sell it on Poshmark super cheap because, you know, I can't use it anymore. If I am selling anything on Poshmark, I will have it like linked down below so you can check it out. Some of this stuff I'm just giving to like my family, like this. This is an OPI nail polish. It's just not like, you have to do 2 coats, and I'm like the type of person where I don't want to paint my nails in the first place, so if I'm gonna get a nail polish, it's gonna be a 1 coat and done, because I'm just like, I hate waiting for it to dry. It's like my worst, it's not my worst, but it's just like annoyance for me. It's in the color Feeling Frisco, so I'm gonna give that to like my mom or my sister. Probably my sister. I think she likes more nudes. I'm also going through this It Cosmetics. It's just like a lip, like a matte lip cream. Actually might not be matte, it might just be like a cream, but it's in the color Vitality. It's a gloss stain, so it actually is supposed to like transform and like turn into your own special color, and my, I guess, a special color is not nude. It's like a fuchsia pink, so I'm gonna pass that on to a friend or just end up throwing it away, because if it's not going to like a family member, I'll just, you can't just like, you know, it's not sanitary to give lip glosses away, but I feel like my sister wouldn't care. She would take it. I'm going through MAC blush. This is Stay By Me, and like it's beautiful. It's just with my skin tone, like it just blends right in and has zero color to it. So I think you have to be a certain color of skin tone for this to show up. It's a very like neutral pink, and like I said, it's beautiful. It's just, it didn't work for me. It was almost like a bronzer. I might sell that one on Poshmark. Again, super cheap, because like this stuff is, it's used. I tested it out. It's not new, you know. I went through, I didn't go through this stuff. I am getting rid of some clothing. This one I'm definitely putting on Poshmark just because it's like, Faithful the brand is a big seller, and it's just super cute. It's a romper. I wore this a lot. I actually like to wear it with tights because it is a little bit shorter, and when you're older like me and you work in like a school system, you can't just be flaunting around your booty. Well, I actually bought this off of Poshmark, and the girl on there had actually sewn it up some, so it's already like a low V, but she had it sewn to where it's not like super scandalous and showing your boobs, which I very much enjoyed. And it comes with this beautiful rope belt. It's so cute. It's so cute. Trust me, this is adorable on, but it is a little too short for me at this point in life, and I have to get rid of it. I just don't feel comfortable anymore. I'm getting rid of this dress right here. I actually wore this to my first ever like YouTube event. It was the Ipsy cocktail party, and it has like memories behind it, but I'm over it at this point. I love the color. It's just, it's very, very, very cute. It's by Forever 21. I might put this on Poshmark, but it's like a super, it'll be cheap, you know? So at that point, like maybe I should take it to Plato's or give it to Goodwill. I'm getting rid of this sweater. It is by I thought it was Cynthia Rowley. It is not. It's by Catherine. I don't know. It's new with tags from TJ Maxx. I'm going to put this up on Poshmark. It's very soft. Navy blue though. I don't wear a ton of navy blue, and has like a mock collar. It's cute, but I have so many sweaters. I was like, I gotta get rid of some. Another dress. This is by Urban Outfitters. I loved this dress so much when I had it. Like I would wear it to work all the time. It's still like a super cute like work or like wedding dress, like a guest, and if you belt it on the waist, it's so adorable. And it's from Urban, but Cooperative is the brand. It's in a size large though, so it's big on me now, which is why I'm getting rid of it. When I was a size large, like this fit really well, so like I'm more of like a medium, I would say, size wise, and it's just a little too loose for my liking, like in like the bust area. So I am passing that on to someone else. Probably put that one on Poshmark. Abercrombie & Fitch. I already have this tank in another color, so I am getting rid of it. This is actually my sister. She gave it to me, and I already had one, like I said, in a different color, so I don't need two. I'll probably end up taking that one to Plato's, maybe selling it. Again, like stuff like that, like it's going to be super cheap. This is a Forever 21, just like off the shoulder. I got this last year when I went to the Virgin Islands for vacation, and it's just too cropped on me. I think I got it with the high-waisted skirt that I bought in the same haul, and I just haven't worn it like much since. I've probably gotten a good like solid 6 wears out of it. It's just a little too short now for what I want, and like I said in previous videos, I'm getting rid of like my off-the-shoulder stuff, so that's gonna be probably sent to Plato's or put on Poshmark for like I don't know, $6. This is by not Forever 21, Target. They're just work pants. I found myself just not enjoying the color of this. I want another pair of work pants. I only have black ones now, and I want like a camel colored and not these anymore. These actually fit really well, and they make your butt look nice. If you're like my size, because they fit, I'm like a size 6 probably in most stuff, 4 to 6. Those are good. They're like mid-rise though, they're not high-waisted, so if like you're really into high-waisted stuff, you're not gonna want that. These are just Forever 21. I'm gonna send these to Goodwill. Little pajama shorts. They're too short on me though. I don't feel comfy if like anyone's around me other than myself or like Anthony. I just don't feel like I want anyone seeing potentially my booty. This is from Free People. It's just like this black long sleeve tee. I just don't wear it. I feel like it may be a little too grunge for me at this point. It's not my style anymore. I also am getting rid of, this is from TJ Maxx, I believe. It's like the softest sweater ever. It literally is. I just don't wear it enough, and it has a little flutter sleeve. Like all this stuff I like obviously past my first closet declutter that I had on here where I got rid of a ton of stuff. I just realized like I don't need it. Actually, these are pajama pants from Abercrombie & Fitch, and they were my sister, so like you didn't even see this on Closet Declutter. I just tried them on and I was like, they feel like leggings, and I don't like wearing leggings to bed. I want something looser, so I'm getting rid of those. I'm also getting, I love this little, like, it's like a safari vest. Like, I only wore it once and it was to a zoo. It's like, I fit in super well, but I haven't worn it since, so I'm gonna give this to Poshmark or my sister because I think she liked it. She literally took like 7 of my vests the other month, so I feel like she doesn't need it. This bra is by Victoria's Secret. It's like in like almost a new condition. I think I only wore it once or twice. It's so soft. It has like memory foam padding, and there's not a lot of it because I don't want people, I don't have boobs. I don't want people to think that I have boobs if I don't, because then it's like, did she get a boob job? No, she didn't. So I'm gonna try to sell that on Poshmark because no one I know is my boob size. Everyone around me has boobs. This is a Abercrombie & Fitch, did I say that right? I don't know. It's a twofer puffer vest. I have another winter coat that is from My Protein that I wore non-stop this past winter, and I forgot I actually had this. So I think it's time for that to be passed on. I really love that. I don't need it. A belt. I got a belt in my trunk club box, which should be uploading soon, and this one no longer has use in my books because it couldn't fit on my upper waist. It could only fit lower. It was too big. There weren't enough holes. And the one that I bought from Trunk Club, I can do in both areas. So I'm like, I'm getting rid of that sucker. I'm also getting rid of this tank top. This is from TJ Maxx. It's new with tags, although I believe I wore it in a video before. And then after the video, I was like, I don't like that on me. It's just this tank top. It's very, very cute. Like, I love the colors of it. It's just, it's too oversized on me to where I just didn't feel right. And then lastly, this is just a tank top from Forever 21. I really liked it. I got it in my last year's vacation haul. It's not from Forever 21. I lied. It's Kylie and Kendall from PacSun. It's a size small. It's very cute. It's just, I don't like the banded bottom of like anything anymore. I just don't want bands. I'm like super picky when it comes to clothing. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna head off and, you know, cut off my hair. So we'll see if any of you actually notice I got a haircut or not. Okay, love you so much. I'll see you super soon. Bye.